Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India Official. We are back guys with another video. Yes, and the event has been over guys. The starter event has been over. So what we're gonna do today will be like showing you my best starter what I have caught and their evolution guys. And second thing will show you my best Pokemon, my best team guys. So let's sit back, relax and enjoy the video guys. So yes guys, first of all the starter event has been over guys. So here's my best Charizard and Blastoise and Venusaur. Here you can see guys. So guys, here you can see my best Blastoise powered it up because it's like IVs are very cool of it, like Wonder and with best HP and calculation. So I think so it will be 80 plus or 85 plus IV side and with the best attack guys. And from this 6 Blastoise it's the most CP also, so that's why I like kept with me, and it's the best evolution of that event. And second thing is like this Charizard guys. Yes, yet another Charizard with the best attack and maximum IVs guys what I can get in the from the event guys. So I kept it. And the third Venusaur is guys, and Venusaur is of this CP guys, it's 2000 something, and attacks are shit and even the IVs are like okay. So but I don't use Venusaur that much as Blastoise and Charizard are helpful guys, because Charizard is very good against the grass type like Executor and everything, and the Blastoise is very good against the like Rhydon and everything guys. So it's very helpful to have both of them in the team guys. And even the Venusaur is good for the Gyarados, but like I don't prefer Venusaur more than that because it's not worthy guys. I don't think so. What do you think? Just comment in the comment section below guys, if you're using a Venusaur and what's the CP of it guys. So guys, the event has been completed, and now from Niantic there is no updates on the like game, and there is nothing. They are like on the Christmas leave guys, I think so. And the another thing is like they are now like putting a generation 2 Pokemons into the game in the month of this and at the starting of the next month, like in the month on the end of the January or the starting of the Feb guys. So I think so that will be another great update for the game guys. And now so let's get ahead guys. The best Pokemon of mine you can see over here guys. So yes guys, the first Pokemon of mine which I just like is this Gyarados guys. It's like 2885 and like I invested all of my starters in it. And guys, I was like having 3 lakh something starters which I just invested all my Pokemon. So I will let you know which Pokemon I have invested my starters. So first Pokemon is this, and this I have just invested like too much of starters and Magikarp candies because it's worthy. Like it's still in a gym, you can see with the attack, bite and hydro pump guys. So it's very much attacker and a defense too. Even by defense it won like battles too. And the second one is this, it's of the same IVs, but the attack is like Dragon Pulse, so it is much more defensive side than the attacker side, but it will be very helpful for me for a Dragonite guys. So third one is this Rhydon. And as you guys know, the Rhydon CP and HP both are very much higher than the Gyarados guys. So I just kept it with me and invested my little bit of starters in it because it have a Stone Edge attack and the IVs are also very much cool. So the Stone Edge is very helpful for the Dragonite and flying type unit guys. So that's why I just kept it. And the third one is like this Vaporeon guys. Yes, although you know the Vaporeon has been nerfed by the Niantic, but still this beast is very much helpful for you as an attacker. And I don't know about the defense because it just comes very quickly to me. Like I don't think so it's very much useful for the defense, but for the attacker it's very much helpful guys. As you know that the Rhydon CP is like very much high, so there are like too many Rhydon into the gym, so this perfect water type Pokemon will need it for that. And even after the starter event there are like tons of Charlie that I have seen in the gym, so for that also it's very helpful for me. And even for the Arcanine guys, so it's very good to have this attack, both attack fully water type guys. So let's get ahead. And my another Pokemon is this Executor SB. SB is for Seed Bomb guys. I just made it for the defense, and even this won like 2 battles from the gym. And Seed Bomb with Seed Bomb and a Zyke type and a Grass type attack is very much helpful for the gym guys, as you can see. And even the IVs of it are very wonder and breathtaking Pokemon HP. And that's why it's very cool in the gym. I don't think so for the attack reasons this Pokemon can beat. Like I have used it for the Gyarados, but it's not worthy that much as the Solar Beam Victreebel is giving me advantage, guys. So let's get ahead. And I have used most of my starters on this Machamp, guys, because it's worthy, because there are like tons of giant beast Snorlax in the gym, guys. Yes, with like 200 300 plus HP, so it's very hard to get out them. So this fully fighting type Pokemon will need you, as you know the normal type is weak against the fighting type, so this Pokemon is very much cool in front of this gym. Like there are like many Snorlax in the gym, so it's very worthy to have this in your team. Like it will take the Snorlax within a seconds, guys, not within a seconds, but surely it will take down this Snorlax. And even for the defense it's okay, but I don't put this Pokemon for the gym for the defense, guys, because I need for the attacks on the another gym, guys. So let's get ahead. After that I need Lapras, guys. Yes, this is a beast Lapras, guys, as you have like there are like tons of Rhydon, Dragonite in the gym, so you have to be a Lapras in your team, guys. If you don't have, so please try to hatch it or get it. You will get one for sure, guys. And Lapras is very beast in the game right now, because you can see the attacks of it is very much cool, and the Frost Breath and Blizzard is like all ice type attack, so it's very useful for the gym fight also, guys. So this is my best like another best Pokemon, but I need a lot more of candy to make it like 2500 plus, so I can use it very easily in the gym, guys. And it's like 70% for the attack and not for the defense, I think so let's move ahead. So the another best Pokemon like of mine is this Jolteon, guys. Yes, as you guys see, there are like tons of Gyarados and Dragonite in the gym, guys. So I've like invested a lot of starters in it, because to get like a 100% to this Jolteon, and it's worthy, guys. Like having a Thunder Shock and a Thunder, it can easily take down like Dragonite and Gyarados in the gym. So I've used a lot of starters in it, and it's working very well for me, guys. And let's go to the next Pokemon, which is this Raichu, guys. Yes, I don't know why the CP of Raichu is not higher, and if it would have been more higher, it will be beast, guys. Yes, it is a beast, and it's like amazing. The Raichus are amazing with the spark, like the attack is too quick, and it can easily take down the Gyarados and the Dragonite very easily. So I have invested a lot of starters, like not a lot of, but I have invested a starters on it, this too, guys, and it's working quite well than the Jolteon, guys. And even though the Gyarados would be like 2200 plus, but this Raichu can easily take it. That's the advantage do you get from the Raichu, and that's why it's in my team, guys. So guys, that's it. This was my whole team and my best Pokemons, which I just use for the gyms and my defense, guys, for the attack and for the gym, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed, and please comment down below which is your best Pokemon which you use for the gym and for the defense. Comment down below all that stuff. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please click that like button, like, guys, subscribe, and my vlogging video is coming very soon, guys. Like I'm doing one vlog and one normal video, so please give me some time and give me some support for it, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Like, subscribe, and peace, guys. See ya.